There are all kinds of mixers, but on job sites, the Hyde Stir Whip is the one that will handle every kind of compound without overtaxing your drill. What makes the Stir Whip unique? Its bendable fingers flex to fit through pour spouts. That means you can pre-mix paint and pour it into smaller containers without removing the lid. The Stir Whip's nylon fingers reach into every corner for more thorough mixing. And they create less drag, which puts less demand on your drill, even when you're mixing thick compounds. The Stir Whip's 18-inch shaft makes it perfect for mixing in 1-gallon cans or 5-gallon buckets. And its durable construction will handle anything from thin-set, stain, paint, and plaster to drywall, mud, and concrete. Oh, and cleanup? That's a snap. The Hyde Stir Whip, the perfect mix of features for pros on the job.